It gives me great pleasure to be here this evening to launch the Total Excellent New Generation Fuel. Tonight, we launch this product, which is another excellent addition to the innovative Total product line, the New Generation Fuel. This new generation formula cleans and protects the engine, reduces the emission, and I must say here that Total customers in Fiji can breathe new life into their cars with the new generation fuel that delivers maximum engine protection. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm also informed that the Total new generation is now available in all 27 Total service stations. Transportation in Fiji remains one of the highest contributors towards carbon dioxide emissions, amounting to around 47% of Fiji's total annual carbon dioxide emissions, and out of which 25% is primarily due to the increasing use of transport fuel. Through the guiding principles of Fiji's Green Growth Framework of reducing carbon footprints, the following challenges have been identified. One, the need to reduce transport sector's dependence on imported fossil fuel, and the need to develop and demonstrate alternative fuel sources for land transport. Through this challenge, government has committed to find reliable and feasible solutions to address the same through the framework. On this note, ladies and gentlemen, my ministry strongly supports the introduction of the new product into the Fijian market, as it contributes towards the reduction of carbon footprints. This innovation is also a key contributor to government obligation to the climate change agreements in the regional and the international areas. We all have a responsibility in taking care of our environment, which in turn will take care of our future generation that is yet to come. Our action now determines our future. It may not be perfect now, yet we have the chance to perfect it. As the saying goes, don't think outside the box, realize that there is no box. So thank you, Total, for the launch of this evening. And ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your attendance this evening and ask you to join me in congratulating Total Fiji Limited for bringing in this new product. Vinaka, and thank you.
Hasta que el tercer